Let's go there.
Hello friends, welcome to the Smart Thinkers Hub, a platform where we share mathematical knowledge. We want to simplify these sorts. For the sake of time, we may not discuss the basic rules of sorts, but as we solve these problems, we will all highlight each of these steps. This is just basic simplification. We look at rationalization of sorts and how to solve sordic equations, that is equations in sort form. So this one is elementary. We go to the first one, which is evaluate root 50. This is just, of course, root 50 is the same thing as root 25 times 2. That's 25 times 2 will give you 50. You can separate it. Root 25 times root 2. This is root 25 is 5. 5 root 2. So this is just the basic expression. So why it's necessary is most of the sort we will handle are not in their basic form. So you're expected to reduce it to this basic form such that this radical, which is this part, will be in a basic form. You can't reduce it further. So let's look at the b, which is root 18 minus root 32 plus root 8. So in this problem, we can also evaluate root 18 as 9 times 2 minus 16 times 2 plus 4 times 2. So this is the same thing as 3 root 2 minus 4 root 2 plus 2 root 2. And this is the same thing as 5 root 2 minus 4 root 2, which is root 2. So we can evaluate this. Root 108 is the same thing as root 9 times 12. 9 times 12 is 108 minus 12 root 12 plus 3 root 12 times 4 is 108. So 4 times 12. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so the order of arrangement does not matter. Root 9 is something as 3. So we have 3 root 12 minus root 12 plus root 4 is 2. Coming out to multiply 3 is already 6. So you have 6 root 12. So you have 3 root 12 minus root 12 plus 6 root 12. This is 8 root 12. But root 12 is not in its basic form. Remember, we can say 8 times root 12, which is 8 times root 12 itself is 2 root 3. So this is 16 root 3. But you can also evaluate this same problem. You can also evaluate it another way, probably in a simpler form. Just understand the basic principle. For example, you can say root 108 minus root 12 plus 3 root 48. So this can be 108. Which number can multiply 108 by 3? You have 36 times 3 minus 4 times 3 plus 3 root 16 times 3. This is 6 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus this is 12 root 3. And this is the same thing as 16 root 3. So you have the same value. So whichever way you use, you will eventually get the same result. So when you have this problem, you have something as root 35 multiply root 63, and root 63 is something as 9 times 7. So you have minus root 28 is the same thing as 4 times 7 all over 9 times 5, which is 45. So this is the same thing as 35. This is 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7 all over 3 root 5. So this is the same thing as root 35. 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7 is root 7 all over 3 root 5. And this is the same thing as root 5 times root 7. Because root 5 times root 7 will give you root 35 based on multiplication law times root 7 all over 3 root 5. So at this stage, root 5 can cancel root 5. So you have root 7 times root 7, which is 7 over 3.